Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Kwgt and creating a new widget. This gets the canvas ready. Next, add a base layer, image or rectangle, so you have a stable visual foundation. Once done, remove default elements you won't use, because clutter slows iteration. Make sure to set the exact widget size to match your launcher grid. This prevents scaling issues later. As you work, keep the preview visible so you can instantly judge alignment and spacing. It saves time. Now you add components: text for labels, shapes for backgrounds, and overlap groups for composition. You'll use Kwgt formulas and globals to inject dynamic data, time, battery, or custom text, and that's why structure matters. Group related layers so one global controls multiple items. Once done, tweak fonts, padding, and 1/2px borders to refine clarity. Make sure to preview on different device orientations. This reveals scaling problems early. You finish by saving the preset and exporting a backup. You don't want to lose iterations. Then apply the widget to the home screen and test interactive elements, because tap actions and hotspots can differ outside the editor. If something looks off, misalignment, clipped text, or missing data, first clear the launcher cache and remeasure the widget size. This often fixes scaling. If problems persist, check globals and formula syntax. A single typo can break dynamic values.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.